In a small village, there lived a boy named Hamza. Hamza was very intelligent and always tried to learn something new. One day, his teacher presented a challenge in class. The child who plants the most trees will receive a prize. Hamza accepted the challenge and also got his friends involved. He started planting trees in various areas of the village, working day and night. Not only did he plant the trees, but he also took care of them, watered them, and protected them. Months passed, and the trees Hamza planted began to grow green and lush. When the teacher surveyed the village, he was very pleased. Hamza had not only planted the most trees, but his hard work had also improved the beauty and environment of the village. The teacher awarded Hamza the prize and said, "You have not only won the challenge, but you have also given life to the land of this village." Hamza smiled and replied, "These trees are the result of all of our hard work, and we must all work together to protect our land." This story teaches us that with hard work and dedication, we can do a lot not only for ourselves but also for others.